Welcome to the 10th tutorial video of MERASALON business app. In this video, we will learn how to create membership cards. We will understand membership in 3 videos. This is part 1. First, on the left side, you will see 3 lines at the top. Click on that. Then click on Card Master here. Click on Create Card below. Here we can see the names of 4 types of cards already. Click on one of these 4 categories. For example, we clicked on the silver card here. Here you will enter the receive amount, which is how much we will charge. Below that, enter how much balance you want to give in return on the card. For example, if we charge 10,000 rupees on the card, we can give a balance of 13,000 rupees. Write how long the validity of this card will be. We write 12 here for 12 months. In the notes section, you can write the terms and conditions if you want. Then submit it. One by one, we will create all the cards. In the next video, we will learn how to sell membership cards. Thank you for staying connected with us.